Alex and Commander Karim's forces have destroyed General Barkov's forward operations base, temporarily limiting Russian air capability in Urzikstan. We need to move fast. Sergeant Garrick, thanks to your intel, we tracked the Al-Qatala cell responsible for the Piccadilly attack to a townhouse in North London. 3 SAS teams will get inside and connect the dots. If the Wolf is in possession of the stolen Russian gas in Urzikstan, we need to find him. Be advised, there may be non-combatants on target. Check your shots. Targets are up, boys. Let's kick this off. Bravo 6, moving on the rear garden.
Bravo 6, this is Alpha 2, about to enter the west.
Copy. Bravo 6, moving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the East after the attack.
Trust the Wolf.
You know I do. But this operation failed, so why...
Secure.
Alpha 3, entering through the front door.
Bravo 6, moving to the first floor. Behind the door.
X-ray down.
Two X-rays down.
Copy.
Make sure this floor's secure. Clear this floor.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6, moving to the second floor.
Six engaged. Hope you hit the bad guys.
Answer the door!
Check every room.
Floor secure.
Good call on the door, Garrick. Rally the stairs. Bravo 6, taking the third floor.
I will not betray the Wolf. Let me go. They're here. Let me go.
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now! Don't move!
Get up. Secure.
Last floor. Take point, Sergeant.
Locked.
I've got it. Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill
Don't
me!
move!
They
Stop!
locked me in here!
Drop her.
Clear.
All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Copy, boss. Roger.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
I'll bet your ass. We've got a location on the wolf.
The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Farah's forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.
حتى كانوا عم يوصلوا جوا المستشفى بس هلا كرهت الأمور.
ماشي خبي نعرف شو بيصير. My soldiers confirm that the hospital is under siege. Al-Qatala has taken civilians as human shields. They're protecting someone.
Or something.
Tomorrow we find out.
All clear, sister.
Hadir is my best sniper. You can rely on him. And all my fighters.
Marines want their pound of flesh. I'm leading the charge on this.
I told you we would help you.
And you're keeping your word.
I don't do this to keep my word. The invaders of my country have no regard for human life. The gas kills all things, even food and our gardens. If you use these tactics, you are my enemy.
No exceptions?
None. Al-Qatala has given my people a bad name, and we have paid dearly for their crimes. I want to see the wolf punished.
I'll make sure you're at the embassy for the handoff to Price.
And you? Where will you go when this is over?
Wherever they send me.
You don't choose.
Not exactly.
Rest up. Tomorrow's a big day.
What about you and your men?
We'll be here until sunrise.
I'll cover the open corner.